Today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TS5000 series printer. I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges or install the ink cartridges in this printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Now we need to open the ink cartridge chamber. So for that we can lift it from one side, and here we can see it will hold itself, and wait for the ink cartridges to come in the middle of the printer. So here we can see ink cartridges are here. Now the ink cartridge chamber will move here. So there is a lock system here, you have to press it and take the ink cartridge out. So just do it one by one for all 5 ink cartridges. Now to install the new ink cartridge, simply take them out of the plastic packaging and just check the number, alphabet and the color and match it with its location. Press it downwards and you will see a light will show up here. That means it is installed properly. So you have to do it for all 4 ink cartridges, and you have to do it for all 5 ink cartridges. So once you see all the lights are there, just simply press it down. The door will close and go to the display panel. So go to the display panel and you will see the update for the installation there, and once it is installed we simply click OK. Thanks for watching.